Hello everyone, this is day 6, question 2 of our Leetcode activity maximum subarray. Given an integer array nums, find the subarray with largest sum and return its sum. A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. So minus 2, 1, minus 3 is subarray, 4 minus 1 is subarray, 1 minus 3, 4 is subarray, and also single element which is 4 is subarray, 2 is subarray, and so on. So, among all the possible subarrays, we have to return the maximum or the largest sum of those subarrays. So, to solve this efficiently, we'll use an algorithm famously known as Kadang's algorithm. And for this, we require two variables, which is max ending here and max so far. So, initially, these both will be set to nums1. Here it is minus 2, minus 2. Nums0, sorry, the first element. And this is Ri for loop. So max ending here represents the maximum sum which can end on this index. Maximum sum of subarray which can end on this index. And max so far is the record of maximum sum of any subarray we have seen till now. So max ending here stores the maximum sum which can be which ends on this index, and max so far records the maximum sum which we have seen so far. So now see this for I1, max ending here is equal to max of nums I. Nums I right now is 1 and nums I plus max ending here. Max ending here right now is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So 1 and minus 1, 1 is greater. So this will be updated to 1. And max so far is just max so far and max ending maximum. So minus 1, minus 2, 1 is greater. So 1. We increment minus 3. So again minus 3 plus 2 or plus 1 is minus 2, and this nums is minus 3. So minus 3 comma minus 2, which is greater, minus 2. So max ending here will be updated to minus 2, and max so far is 1. So minus 2, 1, 1 is greater. So max so far will remain 1, and max ending here will update it to minus 2. Again 4. So we will go 4 comma 4 plus minus 2. 4 plus minus 2 is 2. So 4 comma 2, 4 is greater. So this will be updated to 4, and 1 comma 4, 4 is greater. So this will be updated to 4. This. So minus 1 comma max ending here plus minus 1. So minus 1 comma 4 minus 1. So that will be 3. So minus 1 comma 3. 3 is greater. So this will be updated to 3. And max so far. So 3 comma 4. 4 is greater. 4 max so far will remain 4. Now here this is 2. 2 max ending here is 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 comma 5, 5 is greater. So this will be updated to 5. Again 4 comma 5, 5 is greater. 4 will be updated to 5. Increment 1. Now 1 comma 5 plus 1, which is 1 comma 6. So this sum will be updated to 6. And this will be 5 comma 6. 6 is greater. So this will be 6. Now we go 5 minus 5. minus 5 comma 6 plus minus 5. So what is 6 plus minus 5? 1 and minus 5. So max ending here should be 1, and 1 comma 6 is 6, as 6 is greater. Again we go at last 4, 4 or 4 plus 5 or 4 plus 1, which is 5. So 4 comma 5, 5 is greater, so this will be updated to 5, and 5 comma 6, 6 is greater. So, and we have reached the end of our index, and max so far is 6, and that will be our answer, and we'll return max so far. Let us check. Yes, this is correct. 6 is the output and 6 is the output. So, logically, think of this. Max ending here, what did I say? Max ending here tells us what is the maximum possible sum of subarray which ends on this index. So if a subarray ends on this index, then what is the maximum possible sum? And max so far is record of the maximum of all the subarrays we have seen till now, and that is what we want. So we return max so far after we reach the last index, which means we have taken into consideration all the maximum subarray sums as, and we just return max so far. This is Kadan's algorithm and how we solve maximum subarray problem optimally. Thank you.